Good evening. An Iowa teacher and a guidance counselor from two different school districts are suing the Iowa Board of Educational Examiners. Both claim their First Amendment rights were violated following actions taken after they made social media posts regarding the death of Charlie Kirk. KCCI's Kayla James joins us in studio with what we know about both cases. Kayla?
Well, Stacy, Jennifer Smith is a high school teacher within the Johnston Community School District, and Catherine Mejia is a counselor within the West Delaware Community School District in eastern Iowa. Now, through this lawsuit, both are asking for restraining orders and injunctions against the Iowa Board of Educational Examiners and any actions it may take. Following the shooting of Charlie Kirk on September 10th, a lawsuit filed by two Iowa educators show they individually shared or made social media posts regarding Kirk's death. Court records show Catherine Mejia, a counselor within the West Delaware Community School District, made the post from her own personal device as a private citizen on a day off from work. And Jennifer Smith, a high school teacher within the Johnston Community School District, also made the post from her own device while at home. Within 2 days, the lawsuit claims the West Delaware School District received 2 complaints about Mejia, one of those involving a post she reshared about Jeffrey Epstein and President Donald Trump. On September 16th, district superintendent issued a letter reprimanding Mejia. The lawsuit claims the letter incorrectly said she made the post during contract work hours and informed her that doing so in the future would result in further disciplinary action. 3 days later, the lawsuit claims the superintendent received this letter from Michael Caven, the Iowa Board of Educational Examiners executive director. The letter notes comments regarding Kirk's death have raised concerns among Iowa educators. It went on to state administrators are encouraged to file a complaint with the BOEE. The lawsuit notes the same letter was received by the Johnston School superintendent days after Smith was talked to by school and district staff and after she deleted the post. Because of the letters, attorneys argued the complaints were sent to the BOEE in a form of solicitation. According to the lawsuit, due to the complaints being sent, Mejia and Smith are subject to investigation. Attorneys for the two are arguing that their First Amendment rights were violated and they're suffering irreparable harm due to the licensing complaints. Now, we did reach out to the Iowa State Education Association, which is representing the two educators. The union says it's working to get some information and will share more once they have it. I did also reach out to both school districts and the Iowa Department of Education regarding the BOEE. West Delaware schools and the Department of Ed have not gotten back to me yet. Johnston School says it is not able to comment on pending litigation and personnel matters. Stacy.
And we will continue to follow these cases. Kayla, thank you.